Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Well, first of all, if you haven't subscribed, click that button down there and subscribe. Now we're gonna do the unboxing for my MCM bag. This is gonna be my very first MCM bag, and the package arrived. Let's have a look. There you go, there you go, there you go. So it has this envelope. It says, thank you, thanks to my husband. I saw it online. He said I told him it's cute. He said it's cute, and he told me to buy it. Lucky me. This is actually the receipt. And here we go. Let's have a look. It has a picture of a belt bag or a bum bag, but it is actually a shoulder bag. Well, you can remove this one if you want to. You can adjust it. So you got two zip. This is the inside, the bigger one. It has a couple of pockets, and it has